Hi, welcome back to Farrell's Kitchen, I should say. Today, guys, I'm gonna make a very simple meal for you. I'm gonna make some ackee and saltfish. I'm gonna make some white rice. Food-Farrell's Kitchen. So welcome again, guys. If you're here for the first time, please like up the video. Yes, I know. But anyway, the ackee, guys, this is what I have. This is what I use. We're not in the island, so I can't go pick it off a tree. So you gotta do what you gotta do until you could pick it off the tree. Okay, so I already went ahead and prepped it. So this is what it looks like. Kind of look like scrambled eggs, but it's not. So I already just scalded it a little bit. So what is in a can? I like to scald it so this way it doesn't taste like canned stuff or preserved. It has this taste to it. So you just scald it for a little bit, 2 minutes, maybe not even. I did the same thing with the codfish, guys. So yeah, this is what the codfish looks like. It's already been cooked. Um, and then I went out and got rice. Yes, the last time you guys gave me a little bit of issue with the rice. You know who you are. So I got the rice, guys. I got the rice. So no one could say, how come you don't have rice in your Farrell's kitchen? Like, Food-Farrell's in the house and Food-Farrell's gonna make this work. So guys, I got my basmati rice. And I also got the callaloo. Can't work without the callaloo. The Jamaican food, they always have callaloo. So I figured use it before it goes bad. Okay? So here in my pot, I already have the water going, guys. So that's water boiling there already while I was talking to you. It is a kitchen. It is a production. You know I got this. So yeah, this is the rice. It's already been washed. I'm gonna add it to the pot. Here we go. Just give it a little stir. And no, I'm not gonna put salt in it because again, I don't cook with the salt. Everything that I'm gonna be doing with the callaloo, the codfish, it's gonna have a little bit of salt because I'm gonna put that lime, lemon, lemon pepper seasoning in there. So my rice is in. And it's gonna be awesome. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna chop up the vegetables here that I'm gonna put into the ackee and the codfish. So I'm gonna start with the tomatoes, green onions. My pot is hot, guys, so that green onion is gonna sizzle up in there. And this pot, I'm gonna put, where did I put it? A little bit, not a lot. Garlic. I'll let you watch my pot, guys. The aroma of the garlic is really, really amazing. The rice is coming along pretty good too, guys. I'm not gonna play with the rice today. Not today. So you see it's sizzling here. I don't know if you can hear it. You know what? I'm gonna put some regular onions because I'm not cooking for myself only. So I will definitely add some real onions to it as well. I don't really care for onions, guys, but I know it does have some beneficial health properties, I guess. I'm not really a fan, but as long as it's like dehydrated properly, I'm good. So that should be good enough. Add to the pot. Pimiento seeds. But this much should be good. You don't need too much. There's a nice flavor in the calorie. I'm also gonna put some onion, tomatoes in that. So this is coming along very good. Again, this is the stove that hates me, so I don't want to use it on too high. So while the pot is cooking, I'm going to be eating some strawberries today. Look how beautiful that is. I was thinking of making something else with it, but it's good just to enjoy the fruit by itself. Mm. It's really, really sweet. So guys, how was your day? Then home today and thought I'd go do a little errands and then figure out cook something very simple. Mm. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Mm, really good. Today is actually very beautiful here. Spring is springing. It hasn't sprung yet. But it is definitely doing something. The weather is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, you won't be seeing me with, hopefully, because we're still in April, hopefully you won't be seeing me with heavy jackets and hats and scarves and stuff like that. Maybe a little light jacket here and there. It's absolutely gorgeous outside. Hmm. So good. As summer's coming, we're going to be getting a lot more fruit, guys. Because we have winter, so you don't have a lot of fruits. It's important. The fruits are there, but in the summer you get more variety, more fresh, more of everything. Can't wait for the watermelons. Oh my gosh, that's going to be a treat. So yeah, everything is doing its thing. It's all commingling with each other. Let it commingle. We could talk to each other. until then. So one of the things that I've been thinking about is a lot of like stressful days. Like I've been working a lot, so sometimes you have stressful days, and it's like how you cope with your stress, and you know some people deal with it differently. Some people just don't deal with it at all. Some people lash out when they're stressful. Again, I'm pretty much calm. I do things very simply and let it just slide most of the times until like I lose my shit, and then yeah. But I hope that you guys are dealing with your stress very well, and that you have someone to talk to and avenue and stuff like that. So whatever you do, whether you write it down or whether you talk to somebody, you have to find a venue. But hopefully you deal with it very well. Okay, guys, and don't let anyone disturb your spirit. Okay, so we're going to continue watching. Ooh, that looks lovely. So I added some of the tomatoes in there as well. Okay, so the rice is nice and flaky, guys. Flaky rice. See? Nothing soft. This is the Ackee. Because I think it's a butter Ackee, so it's very soft already, so you don't want to play with it too much. It's still wet. I'm gonna let that dry down some more. Rice is done. Okay, so this is also done because everything was pre-cooked already. Turn that off. So you need a little gravy for the rice, so this is why. Okay. All right, it's finished. Time to eat. ready. This is my rice, guys. And I'm gonna put a little bit of that there. I know I'm gonna hear it. A little bit of that. I would say love your mouth. That's the way it is. Love your mouth, guys. So this is the end of the video. I'm gonna sit and relax, and I'm gonna just enjoy this meal. Thank you so much for watching.